Who should Pacquiao fight next? I would say it's probably Andre Berto, or I'm not gonna vote for Sugar Shane mostly. Mayweather is unlikely to happen, so it's probably the best fight for Pacquiao is Berto. The reason why is Berto is a sleek, black, African American fighter, and they're saying that Pacquiao haven't really fought a sleek African American fighter. So this is the opportunity for Pacquiao to prove that he can beat. Hopefully he can beat, but I think he can beat Berto. It's gonna be a good fight, competitive fight. Mostly already fight Mayweather, so it doesn't make sense. Most likely that mostly he will be beaten by Pacquiao. So I think the best fight for Pacquiao would be Berto. Another thing that Pacquiao could fight, which is gonna be it's like a dream fight, could be Sergio Martinez. But Sergio Martinez too big, too probably they have the same speed, but the thing is he's too tall, 5'10", which probably as fast as Pacquiao. But we don't know. Pacquiao got a lot of style which he can use to. And he got Freddie Roach. I think if he will fight Martinez, it should be his last fight because nothing really will fight Pacquiao, or nothing will really excite whoever Pacquiao fight.